Welcome back to my channel. Alright, aku basah, aku reda dalam hujan. Tapi lepas dah reda, hujan berhenti. Aduh, punya lari tadi, dan sekali hujan berhenti. What the heck? Baru je habis dedikasi matlamat dan juga unsur-unsur kehidupan. Oh, member aku dah balik. Okay, kita orang tadi lari 2 orang. Kita orang lari bermain hujan. Aduh, habis basah. Weh, jangan aku rosak. Jangan rosak tu. Tengoklah jam ni, yang dah pakai bertahun-tahun. Aduh, boleh pula. Hujan pun dah macam dah serat-serat dah. Serat-serat, betul ke ayat tu? Salah je. Okay, kita start creator tu. Okay, kita start creator. Yeah. Gunalah Proton. Bagus. Ini kereta banyak bagus. Okay, so I'll be back with the update. Yeah. Pesan aku.
Dengan Ali dan Adam.
Ibis KL. Tak nampak lah.
Who's that Pokemon? Who's that Pokemon? Ali. Who's married? Married. Married. Mozai.
Ali dah kahwin?
Dah kahwin dah ada.
Serious? Oh my god.
Adam, I don't think so. Adam dah kahwin.
Ibis. Yes. My god, I'm so hungry. I cannot wait to eat. Okay, Netas. How? Oh, tiket.
Alah. Printing tiket sendiri kita sekarang dah lah.
Okay. Cepat.
Ni kena selesai.
Sekali muntah.
Kita kan pergi roller coaster
Alina halau aku. Kau pergi seorang-seorang?
keluar naik atas
Turun exit.
Oi, parking kau ni tak ada lagi
sempitnya.
sebelah aku tera.
Kan, sebab Alina handsome.
Oi, of course. Keluar exit. You better hurry up.
Lagu apa tu?
You were so hungry when you crumble.
Oh, lagu Fenty Beauty
Yeah, the owner.
Oh, aku tahu.
Don't call me, we're sorry when you
Take a bow kan?
Ya, betul.
Wah, terdedah umur yang betul.
You go tu. Esok.
Yeah, oh no.
Oh, tu nak keluar. Alah, makin. Cepatlah sikit. Makin tu pun lama ke? Aduh.
Si perempuan.
Aku parking cepat.
Aku ada dekat Aeon. Aku nak try 2 baju ni. Aku baru je makan tadi. So aku nak try baju. Tada. Ketat. Aku sini, ni kalau aku duduk, confirm koyak. Ketat. Boleh. Boleh kot. Boleh kot. Aku duduk sini. Tahu ketat. Aku suka ni. Kenapa ketat? Semua ketat. Kenapa? Aku gemuk ke? Aku insecure. Tak apalah. Just keep on. Aku just keep on cari. Keep on cari lah. Walaupun ketat. Jadi aku re-update. Kari ayam. Dan daging kurma weh. Ikan coconut milk. Kacang panjang goreng. Yo. Kacang panjang pun ada. Oh ni bos kata tu. Bos kata sedap. Ini sedap je. Bukan masak lemak. Kau nak ke?
Kenyang. Kali ni ringan-ringan juga.
Dia kena rasa kurma je. Jom.
Fish cook with coconut milk.
No, that one lah. Lagi satu. Yang tu tak ada apa. Yang tu warranty kan. Tak payah. guys. Don't worry, I'll still be a part of the family. Yeah. I'm not under Insta lazy or what. I'm under the hype. You remember the day one you told me you want to build a family? Yeah, I still remember the day. I came interview and you said I'm not trying to build a working environment. I was trying to build a family. I still remember. So I think I tried my best to maintain a very fun environment. If ever I hurt anyone, just apologize. Don't worry. Don't worry. Jun, I'll give you back mine. Don't worry. See, no.
Eren, don't worry, when it's America, we call you. It's America, we call you, okay?
Yeah, don't worry, I'll come time by time. I'll just check on you guys. Okay. Remember guys, attendance is very important.
I got one.
Tardiness. No lateness. You know, I used to wake up at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Oh, 4 a.m. 4:15. Yeah. So just maintain tardiness. KPI is very important. Iti Kasila.
Whatever.
I have never made you feel sad.
Bro, my only advice to the next job, avoid medication at all costs.
I stopped taking medication overnight. It's not a goodbye, guys. This is not a goodbye. Yeah. I'm still part of this family.
Nampak air tepi jalan tegur.
Terus nampak.
Tegur dan bayar.
Bodoh Zel.
Air tak jaga air ni.
Bingung pula.
Tegur and bayar. Tegur nampak air tepi jalan. Tegur tu dia kata tegur and bayar. Ingat aku duduk kat coket.
Such a very skillful staff, part of being a brother, professional life, you have been a very good, hardworking, very skillful, you maintain professionalism, like best. So okay, I'll just say the good one now.
But sis, true lah. Even though he doesn't teach me a lot, but I observe him soft skill lah. Very good one.
Person with full of skill and he's very patient, positive minded. So I wish you all the best.
Satu je tak berhati. Satu je tak berhati. Dia kata dia nak ajar property damage. Dah last day dah.
saya baju kat mana sebenarnya?
Boleh?
Sini batal.
Ha?
Batal.
Oh.